Alright, we're here with the Top Prado combat knife, and I'm just going to cut this branch in half. Let's see how well this thing performs, right? And obviously this log has been sitting in the water for a while.
Right out.
Wow. I mean, this is a knife.
Yep.
That's a knife. And it's still just as sharp. Edge still looks good. That's something, man. You guys can see how well this blade just bites right into that. Even from a 2, a reverse 2. I mean, it's just, you know, and here we are just making another video. Where we at time-wise?
Minute 13.
Really?
Yep.
Because I'm already, what, halfway through that
More than
branch?
halfway. We can get a real close look on that one. Oh yeah, geez. You can see it.
I mean, I'm not going fast. I'm not going hard. I'm not going full power. I'm just nonchalantly cutting with it. And it's really just impressive how this blade performs. I mean, it's a knife, you know? And I'm just seeing what I can do here with it. Where we at time-wise, Ollie?
About 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes. Just having a nice, relaxing cut out here in the woods. And that's it. Combat knife right there. So if this is, you know, not only good for combat, but this just proves, you know, I can just keep on going. So if you're out in the wilderness, if you're camping, if you're hiking, doing all the Bear Grylls stuff, this is a perfect tool to have with you. I mean, obviously you can cut wood in half, you can build a shelter with this thing, you know, you can use it like a hammer. Obviously you can skin real easy with it, all that stuff. You know, got a piece of flint or something, perfect for lighting a fire. I mean, this is a perfect all-around survival tool right here. So if you need it, if you need anything for camping, check out Prado Blades. If you need anything for combat, check out Prado Blades. If you want anything that's just kind of hanging out on the wall and just displaying really nice as people come over, check out Prado Blades.